Hi! So today I'm reviewing this Samsung Tumble dryer which got delivered for me this week. As you can see, it's quite nice to look at. So I'm going to do this in a couple of different sections so you don't have to be on a review for an hour. It's energy efficient, and I'm about to load in some washing. So as you can see, really nice big drum. The 8 kg model with lots of buttons and settings. This is where all the water's stored, so you can see quite a lot of capacity in there. And today I'm going to put some wet towels in. So as you can see, there's probably kind of 4 towels in there, a t-shirt, and there's still tons of space. So then in terms of the settings, again fairly easy. We're going to switch it, turn it on, which makes a slightly annoying sound. Going to turn it all the way to towels, which then tells me it's going to run for 3 hours, and if I want I can change the level and the time, but at the moment I don't. The one thing I would say about this is in terms of making changes, it's a little bit complicated, so you really do have to, first few times, go through the different options on the dials with the manual to tell you what you can and can't do. But that's fine, so not too noisy. And then we'll leave it there and we'll come back in a bit, see how it's going on. So just a check-in, 2 hours and 25 minutes to go. Just a kind of volume check for you. It's not too loud, not too disturbing. So we're in the final minute now. One thing I found really confusing is the timer that seems to have been counting down started saying it was going to take 3 hours, and it's been an hour and a half. So I'm pretty sure that's something to do with the delay end function, but I cannot for the life of me figure out what it is, as it has counted to... I have no clue. Very confused. But yeah, I think the load is now in the kind of cooling down phase. And it should be finishing really shortly. And making the most annoying sound ever, but you can turn that off. So let's just see what results we've got. Nice dry towels. So overall, good, but definitely requires a bit of a manual read to really understand what on earth all the buttons do and what they all mean, and yeah, just getting a bit of a better understanding than turn it on and press the go, which also works.